Hey Instagram family, YouTube family, and my community from the Asur Academy family. Today, I'll be giving you my last tips and the advice which you can apply in 2025. This is the last message. You need to listen very carefully. This is not theory. I'm just going to give it to you, the actual practical, so that you can make money the most fastest way in the internet history. So, if you really wanted to learn how to make money in the internet so fast, just apply this 3-step and you'll say me thank you at the end of the day. But you know what? I came from a very low middle class family and I'm living where I really wanted in my life. I'm not saying that I'm good in every field, no. Because we are humans, right? There's an areas where I can't fix the problem. I need somebody help. Every person in this world, we need help because nobody is expert in every field, right? So you have to remember the riches are in the niches. So here we go. Before we wrap up this 2024, listen to this very, very carefully so that you will make money in 2025 in the internet. So here we go. The first thing is you need to find the rich people. Whether you are in Manipur, whether in the Northeast, or whether you are in India, Philippines, Colombia, Romania, wherever you are, in Canada, wherever you are. If you really wanted to make the first money, let's say in India, let's say 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, or 3 lakh rupees, right? If you really wanted to make money in the next 30 days, like let's say any money, let's say in the US, let's say $2,000, or let's say $3,000 or $4,000. Apply these steps in order to find your first money, right? So the first step is you need to find the rich person. You don't have to go anywhere else. You just need to sit at your home and you need to find the person who is the richest person in your area, in your locality, or in your country, wherever you are, right? So it's very easy to find out. I will teach you how to find out that, right? And you have to do like research in Instagram or Facebook, or you can go to the let's say directories, right? So that you can find rich person are available in these days. Like even if you are smart enough, you can go to LinkedIn, you can go to their website so that you can figure it out, their emails, their phone number. It's very easy to find those rich person in your locality. Number 2, you need to find a time which they don't have time, or they don't have time to learn, because most of the business owners in the US or in the UK, as far as my experience, what I'm learning is most of the people which I work so far, like the business owner which they have lots of money. I'm not talking about like 100K or 200K, like millions, billionaires, like millionaires, billionaires. Almost like they are above like 45 or 50 plus, like probably like 50 to 55. Most of the millionaires, which I found as far as my experience, those people, they don't have time to learn Instagram. They don't have time to learn video editing. They don't have time to learn this kind of social media, which everyone is crazy about, these reels, right? So what I can tell you about this stuff is you need to find a time which they don't have time. So you can just say like this: hey, Mr. Customer or Mr. Business Owners, I saw your Instagram, which their views are really like not that enough in order to engage or in order to convert those visitors into customers. So you need more viewers or you need more engagement in your social media, because I can do for you this kind of stuff for you. I know you don't have time to create a content, video editing. I will take care of all your social media so that you can get more customer, you can get more sales at the end of the day. So, you don't have to worry about the time. Let me handle each and every social media. But you need to do the homework by checking all their competitors. And the last not but the least, the third point is you have to be middleman. You don't have to learn the skill set. You just have to focus on your communication so that you can handle with the client. Make sure your client understand your services, whatever the offer which you are giving to the client, make sure he understand, right? Being a middleman, my job is to find an expert so that he or she can execute those person. Let's say if I wanted to hire people in this era, I'll be going to the Philippines, I'll be going to Romania, or I'll be going to the Canada, or India might be, or Manipur might be, right? So I will find the person like a social media manager who can edit the videos, content ideas, so that he or she can post, right? And I can tell the person, hey, if you can do this job, I'll pay you this amount of money, yada, yada, yada. So if you can solve this problem in the next 3 months or the 6 months, I'll double the amount, right? So you also make the money, I also make the money. Let's build a solid business. So this is how I started my journey way back in 2021. I was working with Filipinos, I was working with the Canadian and Romania, Colombia, El Salvador, Jamaica. Around most of the people I work in this model. And I hit my first $10,000 by this model so easy. So if you really wanted to hit your first $10,000 or $2,000 wherever you are, it really doesn't matter. But you are making dollars, not the Indian rupees. And you can also target the US, you can also target the Indian client, you can also target the UK client, you can also target the Australia or New Zealand, wherever you are. You can find those people if you're smart enough. You can use LinkedIn to find the rich people and go to the website, like any industry which you can type, either in health, either in wealth, or either in relationship. No matter what, if you apply this 3-step, number one is, let me just recap, okay? Number one, you need to find the rich people, wherever you are. Just use the internet. Number two, you need to find a time which they don't have time. Like they don't have time to learn. They need more what? Like customer, like leads or sales, whatever they want. Because they don't have the time to learn like Instagram stuff, like video editing, content posting. They don't have time for this. So you as a middleman, you have to solve the problem in order to save more time so that they can get more revenues. This is what I wanted to give it to you before the end of this year. Make sure you focus on this. Only the 3-step. If you really wanted to make money in 2025, this is the fastest way to make money, but don't apply this all the time, right? You need to learn or increase your knowledge every single day. Try to improve your skills, read books. These are the stuff which I can tell you. And make sure be disciplined in 2025. So wish you a very happy new year, and I'll see you in 2025 in January 5, which I'll be doing my 12x challenge, and the day after tomorrow on 6th of Jan, we'll be doing 60-day challenge, and again 90-day challenge. So my family, I wish you all the best. This coming 2025, we'll be coming like a storm, and we'll do some wonderful stuff in our society in the state of Manipur. And not only this, we'll contribute more to the society, and also we can grow together and make sure we win the game in 2025. So all the best, guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.